Tinamaan na ako, walang iyak at kupido. Nasirang schedule ko, putris na kabaliwang ito. Tinamaan na ako, walang iyak at kupido. Nasirang schedule ko, putris na kabaliwang ito.
Hindi ako magaling kumanta. Pero I love to sing. Kaya huwag kayo mag-expect ng Regine, or ng Sarah, or ng ano. Ann Curtis po ito. And I woke up every
Sana'y duyan mo ang duyan ko. Muli.
You better strap in as we bring you the last installment of our exclusive coverage of Anne's special shows in the Golden State of California.
So, this next song that I'm about to sing actually started my singing career. It's because of this song I was able to have an album that was platinum, by the way. It was because of this album that sold platinum.
Happiness was written all over Anne's face because she surely enjoyed making her supporters laugh even more sa second night ng kanyang show sa USA.
So this song is actually very, very memorable to me because it really started everything. I started singing it on Showtime, and then from there, talagang nire-request talaga na kantahin nila. Nire-request nila na kantahin ko. So syempre, hindi pwedeng hindi ko kakantahin dito yun. So, I hope you guys enjoy this, and if you know it, please sing along with me. Music, please.
Yung Alone. I think nakuha niya yung lahat ng piret.
Basta magaling siya, yung boses kasi niya, ang taas-taas. At saka, yung ano talaga niya, performance, magaling.
Sa kabila po muna ako.
Very happy ang mga audience. Palakpakan sila, tawanan sila. Because Anne did her best. Talagang makikita mo yung mga kantang ginagawa niya. Talagang bumibirit talaga siya.
Bibirit mo na ako, mother.
Sobrang excited yung crowd at saka talagang makikita mo yung participation nila at saka yung eagerness nila at saka yung talagang inaabangan nila yung mga lahat ng numbers ni Anne at saka ni Mark. So talagang inaabangan nila at saka sobra silang parang sabik na sabik silang makita si Anne at saka si Mark.
I'd like to call back on stage, Mark Bautista!
Grabe. Malakpakan po natin. Miss Ann Curtis.
Thank you!
First time ko na makatrabaho si Anne or maka-partner sa isang show na talagang halos kami yung parang in charge sa show. And parang tulungan. Parang nagtulungan kami. So, and she is a brilliant partner talaga.
So, ako kinakabahan ko lagi. Pagkagulat siya. Ako po kinakabahan. Kasi ito yung literal na nanlalamon to ng kaduwad eh.
It's either, hindi. Ang sabi nila nila, minsan, nahahawa sa akin. Singer, nawawala, parang napapagod.
Pero minsan naman, nakaka-relax kasi walang pressure.
Walang pressure.
Oo.
Enjoy lang tayo dito.
Oo.
Ang laking naibigay niya sa show talaga. So, happy ako na naging part ako sa show na to.
Alam mo, narinig kita eh. Nung Araneta mo, may kinanta kang operatic.
Meron niya.
Sabi ko nga, aba, hindi to si Ann may tinatago.
Gusto niyo bang maninig yung operatic?
May tinatago to. Akala nila nagbibiro. Pero may baon.
Dahil binanggit mo, syempre kailangan kong kantahin.
Dapat pala hindi ko na binanggit.
Wala na. Touch move ka na.
Nalabas ko na. Sige.
Pero talagang nag-sample siya and tinapos niya yung buong song. And yung mga tao, natuwa.
Nesudorma, Tupuria principessa, nella tua fredda stanza.
Yung crowd, yung ibang klase, as in parang sobra silang sigaw ng sigaw, tapos give na give sila, talagang excited sila sa every number na ginagawa ni Ann at saka ni Mark. Talagang, gustong-gusto nila yung mga songs na prepare nilang dalawa for the audience. Yeah.
Sabi ko sa inyo, tinapos niya ang kanta. Acapella pa yan, ha?
Kasi,
Raw. Yung tinatawag na raw singing, oh.
key of
Hindi
Anne.
ka nagde-depend sa music, sa ganda ng sound system. Acapella, okay lang sa'yo.
Nawawala na ako pag may music.
See? Ang music pa yung sagabal sa singing.
Mali talaga yung music.
Mali. Kaya dapat acapella ka lagi.
Stay tuned, more of this exciting concert when Ambisyosa returns. We're back, you're still watching Ambisyosa.
Yes! Palapakan na natin Mark Ortiz and Ann Curtis! Alam mo, may great title na ako sa concert mo.
Ano?
Ang galing mo pala. Kasi di ba? Diyos ko, sunod-sunod ang tataas. Nakakalok.
Mababa lang yun.
Pinifit na naman yung chandelier. May palapakan niyo naman. Diyos ko, napakahusay. And of course, Mark
Yes, Mark Bautista.
Dapat ano kayo mag-concert uli kayong dalawa.
Ay, gusto ko
Diba? Ang bongga eh.
Give me the name, place, I'm there.
Oh!
Yun naman ang sarapyan.
Yung finale naman na VSN Company na Awitin Mo at Isasayaw Ko, very familiar sila sa song and perfect for the finale.
Both Ann and Mark absolutely rocked Cash Creek Resorts and Casino with their wonderful performances.
Tayo ang lahat para masaya! Yes! Okay, come on everybody!
Music, please!
Walang iba sa sasarap sa pagpipili natin. Come on! Sa daan ng wakas, itong awit ng ibig, awit ng ibig, ay walang tayo pagdato ko naman, ay lagi kang pakinggan.
Mayo sila and nagsayawan and kasi you can never go wrong with Awitin Pa Isasayaw Mo sa Pinoy audience talaga.
Kaya sa ating awit tayo ay matigaya. Awitin mo at isasayaw mo. Awitin mo at isasayaw mo.
my experience is this is not job. This is like kind of like party. This is no stress. Walang problema. And this is good. This is a good day for us.
O, dahan-dahan mo, baka malaglas yan. Ayaw mo, come on, guys! Thank you so much! Oo naman, ay lagi kang pakikingga. Magpakailangan. Eh, come on! Ang isang pag-ibig ay parang nasama na pagkalawahan, kaya't sa ating awit tayo ay magbigayan.
I am happy kasi nga tuwa ako sa mga reaction ng tao, pati the way Ann perform. Even si Mark, ang galing talaga ni Mark.
Talagang malaking success ang kanilang back-to-back shows, and this won't definitely be the last.
Phone yan.
Picture ako
Ayun na, dali. Pukula ko kayo. Ay, selfie pala. Palapakan naman natin, guys!
Thank you so much, mga cash creek! Ay, ikonti na yung kinuna. Ay, 1, 2, 3.
Sulit! Super! Sana mapa second look.
Mga cash creek, let me hear you!
Thank you! Palapakan natin, guys!
Maraming salamat at sobrang nag-enjoy ako na nakasama ka sa isang show. And salamat sa iyong generosity at sa iyong kindness. Sa iyong genuine kindness. So maraming salamat sa iyo. Hope to work with you again very soon.
So we just finished our last concert here in Cash Creek Resort and Casino. It was so much fun. The audience was so much fun. I had so much fun. And now it's time to go home back to Manila. Yay! Happiness!
Are you guys ready to have some fun tonight? Are you ready to hear my beautiful voice?
Don't switch channels because there's more of Ann when Ambishosa returns. Second half na ng ating episode this week, Cherry Mobile knows how Ann loves her supporters by heart. Kaya perfect ang contest nila na I Wanna Be because pinakita dito kung paano na-inspire ng ating Diyosa ang mga sumali na how to make their dreams come true.
Hey guys, so we're here now at the I Wanna Be meeting that was held by Cherry Mobile, where I get to meet a lot of the contestants who won the contest. And so far it's nice, it's fun. I get to meet a lot of everyone that's here and spend time with them. So yeah, enjoy.
They're so pretty!
Well, we currently had the awarding of the lucky 20 winners of I Wanna Be photo contest. It started last month, so all the entries were sent every week, and we chose 20 last May 25.
Enjoy naman kayo?
Yeah!
So far, so good.
Yeah! Thank you, Ann! Nakakakilig ah!
Okay kayo? Kumakain ka?
They should be like Anne. That's why the contest was called I Wanna Be. So I wanna be like Anne. So this photo contest is actually in partnership with our own ambassador, Miss Anne Curtis. It was just actually a relaxed dinner, a chill dinner. We just want to have all the winners have fun and quick chit chat with of course their idol Miss Anne Curtis.
Kaya dumating na si Miss Anne Curtis. Okay, good evening everyone. Kanina pa sila excited, Anne, to see you in person. Diba? Masaya na ba kayo? So, busog na kayo?
Medyo late na yung dinner pero okay lang. So hinihintay namin si Anne hanggang, hindi kami nagugutom kasi alam namin na pag lalo dumating siya, mas lalong hindi kami magugutom. So yun, yung preparation namin, hinihintay lang namin siya. Tapos, yung napaka-normal na tao niya.
Hello! Magandang gabi! First of all, I want to thank all of you, of course, for joining the I Wanna Be photo contest that, of course, Cherry Mobile had. I'm very, very excited to spend time with all of you tonight. Makilala kayo, mabasa ko kung ano man yung na naging mga entries nyo sa I Wanna Be contest. Time with you, and yun lang, let's just have a nice night, and I hope na uuwi kayong lahat na nakangiti.
More fan moments with Anne when we return. We're on our last part. One big factor kung bakit iniidolo ng isang fan ng artist aside from the talent ay ang sincerity nito.
Adon, hello.
Sige pa ta, pero yung mga function nyo. Go na!
Sa dinner po, dito sa Chris, maayos naman po yung pakikitungo po ng bawat tao dito. Tapos, si Ate Ann po kahit pakain na po siya, ganyan. Basta pagka may kumausap sa kanya, pagpapatuloy niya, parang hindi na po muna siya kakain, ganyan. Tapos, pagka may nagpapa-video greet, kahit sobrang gulo-gulo, daming tao, patuloy pa rin po siya, kahit nagdi-dinner po.
Sa ilang taon ni Anne sa industry, she has proven na talagang isa siya sa mga artistang very approachable sa mga fans.
Ito po yung intimate. Kasi nung napapanood ko lang siya sa Showtime, hindi siya ganun kalapit sa akin. Nakikita ko sa mga mall tour, malayo ako. So this time, ito na talaga, na-hug ko pa, na-kiss ko pa, tapos nakapagkwentuhan pa kami, tapos na-video pa. So this is one of my best time in my life na nakita at nakasama ko si Anne Curtis.
You will see her effort to make her supporters feel na para kang may isang kaibigan o kabarkada when you idolize her.
Wala pong exact words pero kasi yung bait niya po. Tapos tumutulong po siya ng kahit wala po siyang sinasabihan na kahit sino na, ay, tumulong ako, ganyan. Super sincere niya po. Kahit sobrang famous, sobrang dami niya na pong na-achieve.
Anne is really a cool girl, and yet her values are intact. And we think that it's aligned with the vision of the company and the brand.
To all the Lumos warriors, keep on dreaming and keep on fighting. You guys have got this. God bless. Thank you.
The Facebook Live a while ago really went well. The winners were really, they were just having fun. Anne Curtis and all the 20 lucky winners, they were just there having fun, answering questions live on Facebook.
Hi, everyone. Hello.
So, kumusta naman yung mga puto lang?
Agad may question na kaagad, where do you want to travel next? We're here now at the Cherry Mobile. 안녕하세요. Si Anzi. Ayan. So, and we just finished dinner here at Chris with everyone, and they all have their flair. Yay! From Cherry Mobile. Thanks for joining the cast. Adiwela daw ang daldal. So I'd like to thank everyone that joined, of course these guys and everyone else that joined the contest. And yeah, so we're here just having fun and eating. Hi MJ, pabati naman po. Sarangayo, hi Goblins Pride!
First time nyo palang mag-Facebook Live eh. So, ayun. Ngayon ko lang din nakita yung ganun siya ka-intimate sa mga fans niya. Tsaka sa mga tao na nagtatanong sa Facebook Live, nasagot niya talaga agad.
Ayan, si Fall Makaraig. So, actually, hindi talaga ako sanay mag-Facebook Live. So, hindi ko alam ano bang gagawin dito. Anshe pala yun. Anshe?
Ate Ann, sana po di ka po magbago. Stay humble po. And lagi pong si God yung inuuna niyo. Sana po, alam ko po magtatagal po kayo ni Kuya Erwan. Sana lang po lagi pong nasa center ng relationship niyo si God. Thank you po kasi hindi niyo po kami kinakalimutan mga fans. At lagi ka pong gumagawa ng oras para po sa amin. I love you, Atan!
Hello? How do you like to have you?
Hi, Ann. Sana magkita tayo uli and lalo na sa running, isa kang inspiration at sana mas maging successful ka pa sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo. Sayang nga lang at hindi ka ang naging Darna. Pero okay lang. Love ka pa rin namin dahil ikaw ang nag-iisa naming Diyosa.
Tapos na, kumanta na ako, guys. Hello!
Ganda mo na yung ano ng gabi.
Ha? Beautiful. A beautiful life. And I know you'll go guess again. This beautiful life.
Congratulations to you and of course our very own Cherry Mobile for this I Wanna Be photo contest. It was such a success. Everyone was really excited to see you and excited to have their own Flair P1 Plus.
That's it, guys. Thank you so much for the FB Live session here on the Cherry Mobile account. Maybe one time I'll also do it on my Facebook account. Hindi ko siya na-experience pa masyado. Pero I'll try. It seems like a lot of fun, di ba? Yes! Thank you, Cherry Mobile, for making this happen!
That's our exciting episode this week. See you again next week for another dose of fun and fashion only here in Andasyosa.
Tinamaan na ako, walang iyak ka Cupido. Nasirang schedule ko, putris na kapiliwang ito. Lumalaki ng eyebags ko, di makatulog dahil sa'yo. Nagmumukhang zombie na ako, di mapakali ano ba to. Sana lang mapapansin mo rin ang kagandahan kong ito. Hirap na kasi ang lola mo, napaliw na ata sa kapapantasya sa'yo. Daig mo pa si